Hi movie poster collectors. Today I'd like to talk about a poster that's pretty rare in the Star Wars poster collecting community. Came out in 1982. There are two variations of it, and it's interesting because the title of the movie actually changed. So that's what's kind of unique about this poster. And because of that, there were plenty of bootlegs made that really flooded the market and almost deteriorated the price of this poster. But if you do have an original, they are certainly high in value.
Now, most people these days would know the title of the third Star Wars movie as Return of the Jedi. But those that were around in 1982 saw this poster come out. And this poster had a very different title than what the final title was. And that was Revenge of the Jedi.
Ultimately, it was decided that revenge was not something that Jedi really participate in, even though it did sound like a very strong title for the movie. So they went back to Return, and I guess some people at the 20th Century Fox didn't get the notice in time, and a number of these posters went out. When the word got out that the title had changed, they immediately started destroying these posters. But there were still some out there.
Now, there are two variations of this particular poster. There is what's called the dated version, and it says May 25th, 1983 at the bottom of the dated version. And the other variation is the undated version seen here. A majority of the dated version went out as a trifold, so it's pretty rare to find a rolled one. You can see the trifold lines right there across the top. And I'll show you the middle one. If you can see it, it's right there. It's very faint. And then there's the bottom one right here. And here is the undated version again. Mine is a little creased, but it is a rolled version, which is also pretty rare to find as a rolled version. So for bootlegs, one thing you have to watch for is in the corner where the 20th Century Fox logo is there's some clouding. In an original, it's really just completely black. So you shouldn't see clouding or even blurring amongst the images. Also, the panel on Darth Vader's chest on the bootlegs is not really well defined. It's kind of muddy, so you have to look out for that as well. Also, you're looking for a poster that is 27 inches wide and 41 inches long. Drew Struzan, master poster artist, came to work on this poster. He got a huge photostat of Darth Vader's head and did some wonderful techniques to create this pattern of dots in the poster. And then he also added Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader here. The funny thing, of course, everyone knows is that Luke Skywalker is holding a red lightsaber and Darth Vader is holding a blue lightsaber, and obviously that's not the case. They should be reversed. And what happened was Drew didn't see the movie yet, and so he didn't know that this was going to be the situation with these lightsabers.
It was believed that about 6,800 of these posters went out to the Star Wars fan club, and they sold out in 3 days. Going for as much as $200 per poster. I don't know how many exist today. I think the undated one, there is a lot less of them. It's really hard to find them anywhere, let alone in good condition. But there are some revenge posters out there, and they are beautiful posters because they are really wonderful bits of artwork in terms of poster design. I do hope one of you gets these posters, or gets one of them at least, and may the poster be with you.